Assalamualaikum. Hello level 2. This is your class teacher Miss Wajiha from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Hope you all are doing well. This is your social studies unit. So open your textbook page number 46. Today we are starting our last topic on page number 46. 7.4 from the unit number 7, which is time to say sorry, and our topic is 7.4 days, weeks, months and year. Open page number 46. Okay, I am going to read it. First is, our world is like a giant ball. Look at this. This is the earth, this is the picture, shows that the earth which is present in space. This is like a giant ball. It is light on the side facing sun. That side has day. It is dark on the side away from the sun. That side has night. Which means, look in this picture. This is sun and this is our earth. When our earth facing sun, this is daytime. This side is daytime. That side has day, and the other side which is away from the sun, that side has night. Third line is, the world turns around once in 24 hours. So a new day starts every 24 hours. This is the picture showing that earth, this is sun, this is earth. This picture shows that earth is revolving around the sun. Earth is revolving around the sun and it turns round once in 24 hours. For example, if earth present here in this moment, then after revolving around the sun, it will become in this spot again after 24 hours. So a new day starts every 24 hours. All right. The most important thing about the topic is days, weeks, months and year. So there are 7 days in a week. 7 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There are 7 days in a week, and there are 4 weeks in a month. For example, 1 week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days is called a week, and there are 4 weeks, then it is said to be a month. 4 weeks and 1, 2, 3 days, but we have only 4 weeks, so we will say this is a month. There are 12 months in a year. You can check this in the unit number 4, that in unit number 4 we have already done the months of the year in the year wheel. 12 months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now my dear students, look at the example so that you can understand the concept of days, weeks, months and year. So we have 7 days. One is Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Alright, we have 7 days. So if we have only Monday, it is said to be a day. If we have 7 days altogether, then it is said to be a week, which means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If we have this chart only from 1 to 7, it is said to be a week. What is this? If we have only 7 days, it is said to be a week. But if we have 4 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we have 4 weeks, then it is said to be a month. Now there are 12 months in a year. Repeat with me. January, 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 7 days are combined together to form a week. When we have 4 weeks altogether, it is said to be a month. And when we have 12 months, January, February, March, and all these till 12, when we have these 12 months, it is said to be a year. Days to week to month to year. 7 days become week. 4 weeks said to be month. 12 months said to be year. Alright, so come toward your workbook, page number 29. This is your classwork. Open the workbook, page number 29. My dear student, this is your topic 7.4 on your page number 29. And this is the topic in which you have to complete the days and months. We have two topics here. First is days of week, second is months of year. My dear student, cross this heading because this is the misprinting. This is months of year. Alright. You have to complete the days. Number 1, M-day. So M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Complete the word Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Just like that, you have to complete the month's name, which we have already learned in the unit number 4, which is weather and the season. We have learned through the table of through the year wheel, in which we have learned the season of summer, spring, weather. We have learned 12 months spellings. So here you will write spelling of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November, December. Alright. My dear student, do not forget to mention the date on every page, as this is 21 January 2021. Alright. B part says you have to write the day, month and year. Today is, what day is today? Today is Thursday. What is the date? Thursday 21. And month is January. Year is 2021. Now second one is about yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Wednesday date 20, month is same, January. Again, year is also same. Last one, tomorrow, it is, today is the present, yesterday past, tomorrow is the future. What will be the day of tomorrow? What will be the day tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Friday. Friday 22 date. Also same month, January 2021. Alright, my dear student. Now come towards your homework. Your homework is, in your exercise book, you have to mention the syllabus of midterm. Alhamdulillah, we have completed our midterm syllabus, so it's time to write down the syllabus. It's unit number 4. First unit is unit number 4, weather and the seasons. Unit number 6, stories of Quaid-e-Azam. Unit number 7, time to say sorry. You have to write this in a very neat writing, my dear student, in a very neat writing. Second thing, in the last you will write a note. All the work done in book, exercise book, workbook from the above mentioned topics will be included in the midterm. Alright. Thank you, my dear student. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.